You search for how to buy shares of Amerant Bancorp Inc. Amerant Bancorp is a regional commercial bank listed on NASDAQ with the ticker AMTB. This video is educational only and does not constitute financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and we will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can purchase. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker AMTB to find Amerant Bancorp Inc. Select the result that shows the NASDAQ listing to ensure it is the correct stock. On the asset page, review basic company information and the price chart to see recent activity. Confirm the company name, NASDAQ listing, and ticker AMTB to make sure you have the right asset. To place an order, click Invest. Enter the amount you want to allocate, review the details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until the next open. And if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. Once executed, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. If you want to follow these exact steps, the eToro link is in the description.